Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. JJ Customs has got a new customer that he's selling product for. He is starting to sell drones now, guys. He's got a couple in the store. I picked up one and brought it out. It's a nice little indoor one, probably. It actually has some power. I was messing with it to show you guys. He sells extra batteries for it, so it does come with one. So this is what it comes with in the case. This is a nice little case that it carries in. Okay. This is how it would come. It's on the shelf sitting just like this. Right here. So you got your manual. It's got all sorts of different languages in it. I mean, it's probably like 8 languages in there. You get your charger, your propeller tool to take the propellers off, and 4 propellers, and a little tiny Phillips screwdriver. That thing is tiny. You can see that. So you got your charger. Comes with 1 battery. It's a nice little battery. The drone itself, it's super light. It's hard plastic, which is kind of cool. So you can pretty much run it into anything. I think the only time you'll break a propeller is if something goes into it, or if you hit it hard enough, I guess. But it's kind of cool. This thing, it does have a little camera on it. I haven't figured that one out yet. I will be doing a second video on this, just of it flying and maybe doing the camera itself, because you can put your phone on the front here, right, or the controller. So got your sticks, just like a regular drone, forward, reverse. You tune everything in here. Your power button. It actually has a flip button. I think you hit this one and then you push forward and it'll flip forward. You hit this one, you turn left, it'll flip left. That's pretty cool. Self takeoff. It stabilizes. That way, once it gets in the air, then you can go mess with it, and it'll just sit there and hover. It's pretty sturdy. It does or steady. Takes 3 AAA batteries in the controller. I already put that in there. Like I said, I was kind of messing with it just so you guys didn't have to watch me fumble through it. And then you do have to calibrate it when you start it. So when you turn it on, you got to go up, then down, and then you got to hit the bottom button down here, and it'll calibrate it. Then you hit the up and then this button again and it'll take off. So it's kind of cool. So we can mess with it. It's a nice little case. And then right here, I did pick up a second battery. Okay, let me show you this before I put the case away. So same battery, right? And you can pull this thing out, oof, and then put your second battery in here. Awesome or what? that is so cool, right? So I'm gonna put this one back in a box since it's not charged. Okay, but yeah, I think I want to say this thing's like 80 bucks, and then the battery's 10, somewhere around there. Don't quote me on that. I can't quite remember off the top of my head. So, but yeah, so let's do, so then the battery goes on. See the slots? Put it in there and then slide it forward, okay? Let's move all this out of the way. And then also your charger. Your charger will show when you plug it in, it'll have a red light on it. And then when you plug it in, the light will disappear. So you don't think it's working, but it's actually charging. And then the light will come back on when it's done charging. Okay, so read the manual. It kind of, I didn't think the charger was working, but I had to read the manual, and then it said that's what it did. So so let's turn this on. Hold it so the light comes on, and you hold your power button on. You guys can't even see what I'm doing, huh? Okay. So it's blinking now, so it's not in sequence. So I turn it on. See how that's light's blinking there? So you go up, then you go down, and that calibrates it. And then you do, see, I had this and I forgot already. Then you hold this one and let it blink, and then it came back on. Okay, so I'm going to do that one more time just to, okay. You only have to do it once, but so then start up. Okay, now it won't go nowhere sitting here. It doesn't have enough power. But if you hit this button right here, this one right here, guys, it's going to take off. So let me slide this over a little bit, and then it's just going to lift up about 1.5 feet off the ground. So this button is your takeoff, and it's your landing too. So it self-lands when you click it again. That just self-landed by itself when I clicked it. So you would push up to get it started, and then you would push this button to take off, and it's gonna lift. It's gonna give it a bunch of power and lift it up off the table. And then it'll sit there for like I said, it's a couple feet. It goes. Let's see if I can get it back over here. It's pretty loud. I don't know if it's loud on the phone or not. See? And then it just landed. Okay, so it's actually pretty cool. Like I said, if you one of them makes it flip, that's pretty cool too. I was messing with the switches. Yeah, it's that same button. So if you click that button, it'll make it flip upside down. It'll go left or right. I think it's the top button. It's that button right there. Okay, so all right, well, there you go, guys. I'm gonna do a quick little fly one for you guys here in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys that he's selling drones. He's got another one online at the store, actually, for I think it's like $50. I'm gonna try to figure out how to get the camera on there too. I downloaded the app, but it's on my phone, so it's hard to record and do this. So we're gonna check that out. I'll have to hook my GoPro up and see if what that actually does, because it doesn't say much in the manual for that little. I'm not sure if that's an actual camera or if it's like a gaming thing. It shows some weird stuff when you look in the book, all these colorful pictures and all this stuff. So, and your phone looks like that. So I don't know if you can use your phone to control it or what. So we're gonna try that out. But this thing is actually pretty quick and fast, and it's gonna be a fun little gadget in the garage here, or in my room here in my hobby garage. And if it's not windy, I'm sure it'll be a blast outside. But it's pretty light, so the wind probably will take it. So just be careful. Like you said, I don't know how far a range it has, but we'll figure that out too. But yeah, flyhighrc, guys. He's also got 2 more than the 2 that he has coming. They're going to be a lot better quality, a lot more, not a lot more expensive, but a little more expensive. I think he's got a really nice one coming that he's going to sell for them. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in drones. This is perfect for around the house. So yeah, so don't tap it like that. I uncalibrated it. So yeah, these are going to be cool little drones to fly around in the garage to mess around. I'm gonna start doing that now. Maybe I'll set up a camera and film it in here. Like I said, it's too windy around here right now. I got to do it early in the morning where I live. I get a lot of wind around here, so. But yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Now I'm just rambling. So go check him out, JJ Customs. Go check out his product, and he will ship these for free in the United States. So if you guys want to order online, I think it's like I said, $80, $90 for all of it, free shipping in the United States. He will ship it worldwide if you want. It's just a flat rate fee. I'm not sure what that is. You'll have to, he'll have to figure it in and type it in for you to see how much it's actually going to cost for worldwide shipping. But he does ship, guys. So go ahead and check out his website, jjcustomsllc.com, and I'll have links down below for everything for this. The JJ website, that address, the phone number. You guys want to call them, talk to RJ and Sean. They'll help you out over there and with whatever they can. So flyhighrc, guys, check them out. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a good day.